Hey Kipsters, it's Miss Schultz here, and it is time for CGI. I can't wait to jump right in and get started with you. Please make sure that you have a pencil and paper out so you are ready to do the work with me. Quickly grab your work from yesterday so we can go over it and see if you were able to solve this problem about Ms. Saranovic. Got it? Okay, let's get started. Ms. Saranovic had 105 books. She gave some to her friend. Now she has 67 books. How many did Ms. Saranovic give her friend? So I chose to set this up as a subtraction problem. I know that I'm solving 105 minus something equals 67. So I know the other way to solve that would be to take the part that I do know, subtract it away from my total. So I did 105 minus 67 equals something. Here's my picture. Here are my 105 cubes. I took away 67. I started by crossing out 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I needed to get rid of 7 ones. I only had 5 ones here, so I know if I took 2 off of a 10, 5 plus 2, that equals 7. So I could take away 7 ones, and that left me with 10, 20, 30, and 8 makes 38. So I know that 105 minus 67 equals 38. Give yourself a nice pat on the back if you got that answer right. All right, kiddos, it's time to jump into today's problem. It is about Ms. Schwartz and her dog, Bobby, and I can't wait to solve this problem. Okay, here we go. So, Ms. Schwartz was telling me that the other day she's been home playing with Bobby so much now that we've all been in our houses so much. So she went to go buy him a ton of dog toys because he's so big that he broke a lot of his dog toys. So she told me she went to the pet store and she bought Bobby 105 dog toys. It's a lot. But on the way home, she was walking and she lost some of them. And then when she got home, she realized that she had 54 of those toys for Bobby left. And what Ms. Schwartz wanted to figure out was how many toys did she lose? Let's read it and figure it out. Here we go. Ms. Schwartz bought 105 toys for Bobby. On the way home, she lost some toys. Now she has 54 toys left for Bobby. How many did she lose? One more time, and then you're going to tell it to me. Ms. Schwartz bought 105 toys for Bobby. On the way home, she lost some toys. Now she has 54 toys left for Bobby. How many did she lose? Your turn. Tell it to me in your own words. Go for it, Kipsters. Let's hear it. Awesome job. You definitely listened really carefully to that story, and I can't wait for you to solve it on your own, but first I have a question for you. Do you think that Ms. Schwartz lost more or less than 105 toys? Do you think she lost more or less than 105 toys? Show me on your hands in 3, 2, 1, show. Okay, some of us are saying she lost more than 105 toys. Some of us are saying less. Let's solve to see. Paper and pencil out, showing your work, labeling, number sentence, solve in 2 ways if you have time. 4 minutes will go up on the timer. I will uncover this so you can see the problem. All right, my loves, go ahead and get started. I can already see neat and organized work. Keep it up. Don't forget to label all the parts of your problem. Don't forget a number sentence, Kipsters. Good job, kiddos. Keep it up. One minute left. Can't wait for you to help me out. All right, friends, it is time to go over our answers. So, I know, I'm going to write a number sentence. Well, I'm actually just going to show you, I already wrote it. So, I know that here I started with 105, and Ms. Schwartz lost some of them, and now she has 54. So, I'm going to start by doing subtraction. I'm going to take away the part that I do know to find the part that I don't know. Let's go ahead and do that. So, I'm going to set up 105 cubes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, oh, no, 70, 80, 90, almost there, 100, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 105. Great. So now I need to take away 54 of those. As always, let's start with our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Great. Took those away. Breaking everywhere. Took those away. And now I need to take away 4. Oh, well, that's perfect because this is 5. So I just need to take 1 off of that. Oh, no, just kidding. I need to take 4 off of that, which will leave me with 1. Okay. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1. Awesome. Let's draw that out. Okay. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5. Took away 54. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And just take 1 off of this and take away that 4. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. So I know that 105 minus 54 equals 51. Awesome. Okay, well, let's do it the other way. We know that if we know one of our parts, and we know our whole, we can add up from that part that we know to get to our whole. So let's do that next. So I'm going to start with 54. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, 54. Now I'm going to decade count to get myself to that answer nice and quickly. Oh, I broke some of my 10s, so I might have to put them back together as we go, kiddos. Sorry. So 54, 64, 74, 64, 74, 84. Oh, all my cubes are crazy. 1, 2, 94, 104. If I want another 10, that would be 114. That's too many. 104. One more would be 105. Okay. There we go. So that means I added 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1. That matches what I got earlier, so that makes a lot of sense. Awesome. Let's put our cubes down so we don't knock them over. And now we can draw. Move this out of the way. Alrighty. Perfect. So this was 54. And now we decade counted. 64, 74, 84, 94, 104, 105. So I know that 54 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 51 equals 105. Awesome job, Kipsters. 2 ways to do that. We can subtract from that total, that whole, or we can add up from the part that we do now. Time for you to do it on your own. Let's see what we've got today for your independent problem. Ooh, it's about Cam. Cam had 112 colored pencils. He lost some of them. Now he has 48 colored pencils. How many did he lose? Pause it here, copy it down, show that work, send a picture of your work to your teacher or to me. I can't wait to see it. Great job today, Kipsters. Go ahead and get solving on your own.